everybody, my name is Agastya. Welcome to my Pakashala. Today we are going to be making potato fries and paneer fries. Today I have my favorite cousin. She is going to help us with this episode. Her name is Prerana and here she comes.
Boom! Hi, I'm Prerana and I love watching his cooking videos. Agastya, I've got something for you.
Wow, Akka, this is so cool!
Cannot wait to start this recipe. And how can you do it without this duty? So for the paneer fries, we need 1 block of paneer, chaat masala, red chili powder and garam masala, each of which we'll be using around 1 teaspoon, about 1/4 cup of corn flour and some butter.
So the potato fries are very simple. We only need 2 or 3 ingredients for them. So we need salt, 3 large potatoes and some oil to fry. So Akka has already cut 2 potatoes. And Akka, would you like to show us how to cut the potatoes?
Yeah, definitely. So I'm going to cut them in half, then another half. So I have cut the potato into 4 quarters, and then each quarter I'm cutting it into these kind of fry shapes. So Agastya, could you please pick these up and put it in the water so they don't brown up?
Alright Akka. So now I'm going to sprinkle some salt inside the potatoes. We have to let these potatoes rest in the salted water for about half an hour.
While the potatoes are resting, why don't we go ahead and make the paneer?
Good idea, Akka.
So for the paneer, I'm going to have to make a mixture to marinate the paneer. For this, I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon. In this, I'm going to put half a spoon of red chili powder onto a plate. I'm going to add 1 spoon of garam masala, and I'm going to put 1.5 spoons of chaat masala for this. And since the chaat masala already has salt, I'm just going to put just a pinch of salt to this. So to this, we're going to add some butter. Would you like to mix it to make it into a pasty mixture?
Okay.
I'm going to put some more.
Yeah, that's right. So now I'm going to put some corn flour onto this plate. And some maida. Now I'm going to mix this together. I'm going to take a paneer, roll it onto this. There we go. And since we've rolled it into a liquidy kind of mixture, the corn flour would probably stick to it. Akka, this looks so good. We have to put it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. So now I've rested the potatoes in some salt water for 30 minutes and I'm going to pat dry them before I put them in the freezer again.
And for the freezer, we're going to put it for 20 minutes.
So I just dab my hands.
So the fries are out of the freezer now, and since we're going to fry them, Agastya's mom asked him to stay away from the oil, so I'm going to do this part on my own. So now the oil is heated up, so let's start frying. So for the fries to come out really crispy, we need to fry them in 2 batches. So the first batch, we're going to put it in the oil and fry it for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, and then transfer the fries onto a kitchen towel and drain it and let it cool down completely before we fry it again to get the crisp. So now these fries look done for the first batch. So I'm going to neatly drain it and put it on the paper towel. So now the fries have cooled down, and I've also removed some excess oil that I could see. So now it's time to fry it again. These are called perfect crispy fries. I am so happy Agastya loves cooking. So we've finished frying the potatoes, and now we're going to fry the paneer. Put the paneer into the oil, you might feel like all the corn flour is leaving the paneer, but that's not the case. Once it's nicely fried and crispy, it tastes really yum.
I can't wait to eat these. But first, let's garnish it with some chaat masala.
Do you want to try the potato fries or the paneer fries first?
Of course, the paneer fries.
Come, let's try. Not spicy?
Yummy.
But it's yummy. It's really good.
Akka, let's do a potato bump.
It's really good. That it turned out so well. I'm so proud of you.
Akka, I can't imagine how much I'm going to miss you when you go back to India.
Aww.
See you in my next episode.